The ultraviolet tesseract stands as a testament to cutting-edge engineering and futuristic design. A marvel of innovation, this electric motorcycle embodies speed, power, and sophistication. Every curve, every angle, and every component is meticulously crafted to redefine the future of motorcycling. As the lights reflect off its aerodynamic frame, the tesseract exudes a sense of motion even while standing still. The design seamlessly blends technology with artistry, making it not just a vehicle but an experience in itself. At the heart of the ultraviolet tesseract lies a high-performance electric powertrain, engineered for instant torque and breathtaking acceleration. The advanced battery system ensures an extended range, allowing riders to push the limits of exploration without compromise. With cutting-edge thermal management and intelligent energy distribution, the tesseract remains efficient and powerful in every ride. The futuristic dashboard integrates a fully digital interface, providing real-time data on speed, battery status, and ride dynamics. Customization options allow riders to personalize their experience, adjusting performance settings to match their style. Innovation is not just limited to power, the ultraviolet tesseract redefines safety and control. A suite of smart sensors, adaptive braking, and an advanced traction control system work in harmony to provide stability and confidence on every terrain. The lightweight yet robust chassis, crafted from aerospace-grade materials, ensures agility without compromising durability. Designed for both urban streets and open highways, the tesseract adapts effortlessly, making every journey exhilarating and smooth. The lighting system on the ultraviolet tesseract is an art form in itself. Dynamic LED lighting enhances visibility while creating an unmistakable presence on the road. The signature lighting elements not only serve a functional purpose but also add to the futuristic appeal of the motorcycle. Whether cutting through the night or standing in a showroom, the tesseract's illumination captures attention, making a bold statement of innovation and style. Seated on the ultraviolet tesseract, riders experience an ergonomic masterpiece. The sculpted seat, positioned for optimal comfort and control, allows seamless maneuverability. The handlebars, grips, and footpegs are meticulously positioned to ensure a natural riding posture, reducing fatigue on long rides. With its intuitive design, the tesseract becomes an extension of the rider, responding effortlessly to every command. Beyond its technological advancements, the ultraviolet tesseract is a symbol of sustainable performance. The zero-emission powertrain not only reduces the carbon footprint but also paves the way for a cleaner future in motorcycling. The regenerative braking system recaptures energy, optimizing efficiency and enhancing overall range. Every ride on the tesseract is a step towards a greener tomorrow without compromising thrill or performance. The aerodynamic efficiency of the tesseract plays a crucial role in its performance. Designed with precision, every surface is sculpted to reduce drag and enhance stability at high speeds. The integration of active aerodynamics ensures optimal airflow, allowing the motorcycle to glide effortlessly through varying conditions. The result is an electrifying ride that combines speed with control, pushing the boundaries of what an electric motorcycle can achieve. Connectivity takes center stage in the ultraviolet tesseract, with seamless smartphone integration and cloud-based analytics. Riders can track performance metrics, receive maintenance alerts, and customize ride preferences through an intuitive mobile application. The built-in GPS navigation ensures effortless route planning, making every ride efficient and enjoyable. Whether monitoring battery health or analyzing ride patterns, the tesseract keeps riders informed and in control. Security is paramount in the ultraviolet tesseract. A suite of anti-theft features, including biometric authentication and GPS tracking, ensures peace of mind for owners. The intelligent locking system prevents unauthorized access, adding an extra layer of security to this high-tech machine. With its state-of-the-art safety measures, the tesseract stands as a fortress on two wheels, protecting both rider and investment. The ultraviolet tesseract suspension system is engineered for precision and comfort. Adaptive dampers adjust in real time to varying road conditions, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. Whether tackling sharp corners or cruising on highways, the suspension system enhances stability and responsiveness. The high-performance braking system, featuring dual-disc brakes and regenerative technology, delivers confident stopping power with precision control. Charging the ultraviolet tesseract is designed for convenience and speed. The fast charging capability allows for minimal downtime, enabling riders to get back on the road swiftly. With multiple charging options, including home and public stations, the tesseract ensures flexibility in energy replenishment. The intelligent charging management system optimizes battery life, enhancing longevity and reliability. The ultraviolet tesseract is not just about performance, it's about a complete riding experience. The customizable riding modes cater to different preferences, whether prioritizing efficiency, performance, or balanced dynamics. From eco-friendly commutes to high-speed thrills, the tesseract adapts to the rider's needs, delivering a tailored experience every time. Attention to detail sets the ultraviolet tesseract apart. Every component, from the carbon fiber panels to the high-tech dashboard, reflects a commitment to excellence. The seamless integration of form and function creates a motorcycle that is both a masterpiece and a technological marvel. The fit and finish exemplify craftsmanship, elevating the tesseract to the pinnacle of modern electric motorcycling. The ultraviolet tesseract is not just built for today, it is engineered for the future. With continuous software updates, enhanced features, and evolving technology, the tesseract remains ahead of its time. The modular design allows for upgrades, ensuring longevity and adaptability as electric mobility continues to evolve. It is more than a motorcycle, it is a revolution on two wheels. For those who seek the extraordinary, the ultraviolet tesseract is more than a mode of transportation, it is a lifestyle. It embodies passion, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Every ride is a fusion of power, intelligence, and emotion, creating an unparalleled connection between rider and machine. With its uncompromising performance and visionary design, the tesseract is set to redefine the future of electric motorcycling. The ultraviolet tesseract stands as a beacon of progress, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. As it takes center stage in the showroom, its presence commands admiration and curiosity. It is not just a glimpse into the future, it is the future itself. With every innovation, every feature, and every detail, the tesseract ushers in a new era of motorcycling. The journey has just begun, and the road ahead is electric.